just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Without any thought, I keep moving on. I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just come.
What is going on here?
I'm doing crepes.
Okay. Why is it pink?
So I put some strawberry powder for the color and the flavor.
Can I try?
No, you can't. Wait. No.
Okay, okay.
So now I have to put it here.
In an egg carton?
Yes.
Why?
I will do marble crepe.
What is
And
that?
it's a technique that I invent.
So you're filling it up in layers.
You will be amazed. I
Oh,
think you will
really?
do your crepe like this.
I'm really curious now.
And the last one.
That is cool.
Oh.
Okay.
All right.
Can I help somehow?
No, just see the spectacle.
Wow. That is cool.
You can turn it. Thank you.
That is really nice.
That's nice. I'm going for the ice cream. Have an eye
Okay,
on it.
I'll keep an eye on the crepe.
Thank you very much. So I choose strawberry. Strawberry ice cream.
Oh, that's really sweet of you.
I
Alright.
need some sticks of this cup.
The crepe's ready.
Ready? Can you slice it,
I want to
please?
slice it.
Thank you very. You ate a piece.
Sorry, I was really hungry tonight. Don't kill me, please. You know it's my favorite.
It was for our. It's okay.
So what are
So,
you doing?
I will do a hack with the ice cream. I will cut the bottom of the ice cream
Okay.
and.
What? No way.
That's
That is
perfect.
awesome. That is awesome.
You will not have any crepe. Can't believe it. She ate my ice cream.
So what now?
So we dip it here.
In the chocolate?
Chocolate.
Oh, look at it steam. I love chocolate, especially with strawberry ice cream.
And to the caramel. I did the caramel.
Can I put some pistachios on
Of
it?
course.
Oh, wow. This looks so nice. A little bit more maybe.
So tasty.
All right.
Let's go to the crepe.
Okay.
So now I have to roll it in the crepe.
That is so cool. Oh my.
And ta-da! That's...
Can I eat it now?
No, I have something for you. Normally you don't deserve it, but anyway.
You know I do.
I did the same thing but with pistachio ice cream.
Wow.
And
Wow.
some ganache chocolate. So, I'm taking this one.
This is so beautiful. You've outdone yourself.
So you wanna try it?
Yes.
Okay, let's try.
Breathe, move, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just still flying to get up in ya. With love discharging, I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating, I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause come fussle, cause you can fall into my place.